Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a very important video on rebuilding the BCD or boot configuration data file in Windows 10. For this, please go to this article on the Windows Club. The link has been shared in the description section. Scroll down and copy this command line. Now, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Paste the command and hit enter. That's it. That's all you need to do to rebuild the boot configuration data file in Windows 10. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.